What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
This is stock before. At 92 one time earlier. So like I said, we're gonna put the Borla kit on it, and we'll let you guys hear when we get done.
2021 Toyota Supra. Look at this sexy beast. He's a zombie. Very sexy looking car. Toyota Supra GR. So he brought it in. He's a good friend of ours. He's got factory converter up there. And then we took everything off. So we should let you guys hear before. There's the whole system we took off there, as you guys can see. And we ran Borla attack system, 3-inch cat back all the way back. Right there. There's a Borla's version of the resonator right there. It's like a 4-pipe system. So they call it, this is Borla's version of resonator. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is a miniature version of it, right there. So that's what it looks like inside, guys. If you ever wondered what the Borla resonators look like, that's what they look like. A lot of design goes into these. But this one has a bigger one because it's a 3-inch in and 3-inch out. It's really cool looking. It's supposed to cut on drone a lot. So, and then 3-inch, and then it wides out. They reuse the existing valve on this side that comes from Toyota there. And then there's the Borla attack on this side with the muffler, and there's the tips, carbon fiber, cool looking tips there. There, just fits the car really nicely. It's a really clean system, as you guys can see. Really beautiful. Check it out. And then there's a stock resonator, stock mid-pipe, and stock tailpipes, or mid-pipes, I mean. There's the stock muffler there. It's a giant system, all 2.5, but it's all like bent and creased and all that. So Borla eliminates all that, cleans it up for them. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. All right, guys, here's the part number on it, right there. The installation guide, all that good stuff right there. And Jared in the background, one in the booklet. Okay. Okay, guys, right now the valve is closed. See it in there? There's the valve closed, valve open. So let's see if it opens. No, it's still closed. I think you have to put it in track mode, or it has Sport Plus, right?
I might need to push the sport button once and then hit it again.
Push the sport button once. Hit the RPM high. Let's see if it opens. Nice idle. That's with the valve closed, guys. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. We'll mess with it in a second. Again. It's right at 99 with the valve closed. Let's see if we can get it to open. So now the valve is open. Go ahead. Wow, dude, I felt that. Again? Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels with the valve open. I hit 112 earlier, so not bad at all. Again? Here's the other side. Go ahead. Still got a nice marble to it. It's not bad. Again? All right. Go ahead and back. A really nice car. Supra. Xenons. Can't stand behind it. It keeps stopping from. We'll just do it from the front. Rev it. Such a nice marble. They really stepped up their game on the lines with Toyota, you notice?
Yeah.
And all this smoke you guys see, that's just from the Borla manufacturing. It takes about 30 minutes and it'll go away. One more. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Supra and a Nissan. Oh yeah, that thing fly! Wow, beast mode out of a Supra. Enjoy, guys.